Are you tired of spending a fortune on single-use coffee pods? Or maybe you're looking for a more eco-friendly way to enjoy your Nespresso Vertuo machine. Either way, the Reusable Pods and Refillable Kit for Nespresso Vertuo might just be the solution you've been searching for. This all-in-one kit is designed to make your coffee routine more sustainable, cost-effective, and convenient. Let's take a closer look at what makes this product stand out. First, let's talk about what's inside the box. The kit comes with 110 food-grade aluminum foil lids, a sturdy pod holder, a handy scoop, and a lid cutter. But the real star of the show is the reusable pod itself. Designed to fit all 5 Nespresso Vertuo capsule sizes: espresso, double espresso, Gran Lungo, coffee, and alto. This kit gives you the flexibility to brew any size coffee you want. Whether you're in the mood for a quick shot of espresso or a large, comforting mug, this kit has you covered. One of the standout features is the embossed foil seals. These aren't your average lids. They're designed to create a secure, leak-proof seal that locks in freshness. The enhanced adhesive ensures the foil stays intact even after multiple uses. This means your coffee stays flavorful and aromatic, cup after cup. Say goodbye to stale or weak coffee and hello to a consistently great brew. Now let's talk about the refill process. The kit includes an integrated 2-in-1 scoop and tamper, which makes refilling your pods a breeze. Simply fill the pod with your favorite coffee grounds, tamp it down to ensure even extraction, and seal it with one of the aluminum foil lids. The included funnel keeps things neat and tidy, so you won't have to worry about spills or messes. In just a few quick steps, you're ready to brew a delicious cup of coffee without the hassle of single-use pods. But the benefits don't stop there. By switching to this reusable kit, you're not only saving money with every cup, but also reducing your environmental footprint. Single-use coffee pods can create a lot of waste, but with this refillable kit, you can enjoy your coffee guilt-free. It's a win-win for your wallet and the planet. Plus, the durability of the aluminum foil lids means you can reuse them multiple times, making this kit an even smarter investment. So, how does the coffee taste? In a word, fantastic. The secure seal ensures that the coffee grounds are evenly extracted, resulting in a rich, full-bodied flavor that rivals any single-use pod. Whether you prefer a bold espresso or a smooth, creamy latte, this kit delivers a consistently great cup every time. In conclusion, the Reusable Pods and Refillable Kit for Nespresso Vertuo is a game-changer for coffee lovers. It's affordable, eco-friendly, and incredibly easy to use. If you're a Nespresso Vertuo user looking to save money and reduce waste, this kit is a must-have. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Cheers to great coffee and a greener planet.